A to Z alphabet learn. A for apple. B for bicycle. C for cake. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for house. I for iguana. J for jump. K for kite. L for lion. M for milk. N for ninja. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.